Hi, Martha here from Monterey Bay. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. Go and get your coffee. Come on, let's go for our garden walk. Let's go. This is as close to a chicken as I'm going to get. So I have these little chicken sculptures. You can Anthony said, no chickens, Martha. He said, you have enough on your hands. And that's so true. I'm so glad that he helps me keep balance in my life. I'm in total agreement with Mr. Henry. It's just, I say I wouldn't want chickens, but man, I don't have time to care for any type of pets or anything like that. I'd rather spend my time growing things because I have such limited time. And I'm 60. I'm 60. I don't want. I'm trying to take things off my plate so that I can just bask in the time that I have left and do good and be good and live this simple little life. I tell you, I do want to farm. Now, I do. I want to ride horses. And let me tell you, when I get my farm, I'm going to have a horse called Daisy. My mom, when she lived on her farm, she had a horse called Daisy, and that was her favorite horse. And one of the few things, because you know I'm doing Marie Kondo, so when my mother passed away, you know, my siblings, we were going through her things, and the thing that I wanted, I have two things. One is a statue of St. Francis, and the other thing is these little shoes from her favorite horse, Daisy. And so I keep this in the garden to remind me of my mom. I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to get a few sprigs of this. So here's what I selected this morning for the little bouquet that I'm going to put in the bathroom. I have spearmint, Cecile Bruner, or the Sweetheart Rose. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's replacing baby's breath. And I love this because it's so hardy and it lasts a long time. And French lavender. Remember, with the lavender, I like to get 3. 1 for the Father, 1 for the Son, and 1 for the Holy Ghost. It's just my little, to remind me of the Trinity, to remind me of God's goodness and faithfulness in my life. Now let me find a jar. I usually like to just use a little mason jar. So let me see what I have.